I'm just a little bit of.
Just a little bit, because there's too many people in this world that gives too much. and there's a lot of people who don't give enough of it. Because you know, sometimes your name goes with your lifestyle and you don't even know it. SOS means save our ship. Saving something, right? All my life, I've been saving these hoes. What's good, Goodie Mom? It's your girl, Slim Goodie. And I'm with my sis,
TiTi.
And yeah, we're gonna do something a little different for you guys today. We're gonna do a little session. You know what I'm saying?
A little cloud nine session.
Let y'all know on our high thoughts.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? If we get stuck, we're gonna have some high questions. Something
we got some help.
Yeah, because
we not there yet. But
right.
Once we get there,
you'll see. You'll see.
But yeah, before any of that, what we doing?
Like, commenting, and subscribing to the channel. And if you're new to the family, welcome to the mall. Yeah. And y'all gonna follow my sis, all royalties in Candy's Land.
And that's on period.
Bam. Show the family love, y'all, because y'all already know all this content is going up on my channel, her channel,
right.
Royalties channel, the Battle channel,
yeah.
Dominique's channel. This is going up.
We just doing our thing over here. So we decided to have us a little celebratory because not only are we over here working. Baby hit what? 50K?
50K on her Royalties reaction channel. You know, sis over here, you know what I'm saying? Just doing videos
with my
Candy's Corner.
You know,
she got her own segment. Yeah, yes. And you know, I done hit 4,000 subscribers. Hitting on 5,000 subscribers. And I made my quota for the month. Thanks to y'all. Thanks to y'all. Thanks to y'all. And y'all also know Dominique didn't hit like 3,000 subscribers on her channel too.
On her channel too, please. Go subscribe to Dominique Battle and the Battles.
And to my family's channel right now. We'll give y'all a second. Alright, I better hang on to that. We ready to take off. I also got a little thread here. You know, someone, I think they be lying. Let's just say this. Atlanta people be out here capping for real.
They be capping for real when it comes to this smoke.
When it comes to this smoke, they be capping. So, I got this right here that he said it was some good Mary in it. It just actually just feels like a whole bunch of diet, CBD up in this mouth.
There's some CBD.
There's some CBD.
Don't be hating on the CBD.
Man, listen, it should be some Delta 8. It need to be Delta 8 up in this thing, but I guess not. I got too much of a high tolerance, you guys, so it's just... And
I used to have it. I think now, since I've been doing the CBD and the Mary, it's a balance. So sometimes I like to mix it in my blunt. So.
Yeah, I mean, I think that's actually a good mixture. But I think, you know what I'm saying. But for me, I think I need to take a break for a minute. But it's hard out here for a pimp to take a break. I need to keep my sanity level
to a minimum,
for real, at a low minimum.
Time low. Yeah.
Cause it. My anxiety and stuff, it just be on a whole different level. And it's been raining out here. It's not what's giving.
That's not what's giving. It's been raining, so it ain't nothing like a good smoke section when it's raining.
For real.
So once we get lifted and elevated, we'll be able to come to y'all with some of these high thoughts that we be having, these cloud nine thoughts.
Yeah, because right now we having a girl talk.
I know. Well, sister and bro talk.
Yeah, well, yeah.
We having a sister and brother talk.
I'm gonna tell you this right now. Yeah, my body feels so lovely.
Oh yeah, she just got adjusted and been touched
Okay, Magnolia's Caresses. If y'all in Atlanta,
Yeah.
and y'all want a banging massage who will tend to wherever your body is hurt,
care of you.
she takes care of you.
I'm not just saying that because that's my family. She actually takes care of your body. That's the only person that touches this body and baby. So
I'm not getting nobody else to touch my body because I swear my knee was hurting the other day. My knee don't hurt no more. All it took was her to just, and it's over with. So y'all go. I'm gonna put her Instagram right here. Y'all go book her.
Go book my knee. Period.
She took me to Cloud 9 and I wasn't even floating. You know what I'm saying?
It's the Cloud 9 for me when he gets smoking.
For real.
Do you? When I say the pants work.
Magic. Girl.
I was so jealous of you.
I know, I felt it.
Did you feel it?
Yeah, because you had to come all in the room.
I did.
Just disturbed the whole aura that I had.
Well, I was a little jealous.
Clearly.
I was.
You just couldn't let me have my moment.
I couldn't.
Selfish.
Well,
I wasn't proud of you. I couldn't have 60 minutes.
Well, you had 54.
You took about 30 of them coming in the door. I mean, sis came right in and sat down and got her stuff comfortable and everything. I'm on the table like this. Just to talking too. I'm just sitting here like I'm trying to zen out a little bit, zen out, and she just
whatever. That's
she like I love her.
It's called Family Feud.
Whatever. It's called cop blocking.
Oh.
On the massage.
I was not.
On the massage. You was cop blocking on the massage.
I was not trying to. I just was a little jealous and wanted to feel a part of it. I wanted to feel it. I can see every push she was putting in
It was lovely. I felt paralyzed.
I know. I was almost there too. It was like I was in your body.
For real. Yeah, I felt like he was trying to get on the table.
Now I'm getting lifted.
System took off. I'm still trying to get the gas to go up and down.
I told you that's because I've been off it so long. So when you off it, because I used to have such a high tolerance that it used to be to the point to where it didn't matter what I was smoking, I never got high.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
So
that's what I'm at with it.
So when I went from CBD and then came to Mary, it's like it's a good balance.
Right.
So that's why I like to mix the CBD and the Mary together.
You know, honestly,
gives it a balance.
I think all Mary has CBD and what?
I would think so. It works the same way.
Mm-hmm.
It's with the anxiety and the depression and the muscles and mm-hmm. You know, it all, you know, coexists with each other.
Right. Mm-hmm. But how you feel? I think if the world, everybody in the world, mm-hmm. just took a hit of the Mary.
I'm just a little bit of.
Just a little bit, because there's too many people in this world that gives too much. and there's a lot of people who don't give enough of it.
Give you a little bit of fucking in your system so you can go about your day.
When I tell you,
think everybody needs it. Everybody.
Blood pressure ain't never high.
I'm telling you.
Can't nobody get this blood pressure high. I'm always unbothered. Mm-hmm. Okay. Sometimes I'm a little too unbothered.
No, that's for real. You know, I be so unbothered to the point, so I be so like.
People be, I'm a boogie. I ain't met my sister.
I'm trying to tell you, when it ain't my business, ain't my business.
It ain't her business.
You ain't said TT. It ain't got shit to do with me. My ass ain't listening.
Okay.
I'm such a tune out type person. That's that mother stuff though. Right?
Man.
Once you become a mother, man, you have the mother ears to where you can tune out the noise that you don't want a dog on here.
I swear to God.
You tune it all out. So
She be sitting there and you be just sitting there
I mean,
talking to her.
full-fledged conversation.
And she do not hear nothing you said.
Because you didn't say TT.
You in the room.
That don't mean you was talking to
See,
me.
that's
That don't mean you was talking to me.
that's the stuff that me and Big Dog be talking to you about.
I know. But that don't mean you was talking to me.
You could be a part of the conversation too. If it was a private conversation, we would not be having it with you.
I mean, and that's real shit.
I'm just saying. Sure.
That's real shit right there. But I do believe everybody just need a little bit of, if not married, CBD, because it gives you a little bit of fucking too. It gives, well, see, married gives you the fucking, the CBD gives you the never mind.
Okay, I like that. I like that. I like that. The never mind.
Gives you the never mind. So you never mind. Never mind these hoes, these whatever.
Bills and stuff.
It's a never mind.
Never mind. Okay. I like the
The married just gives you the whole,
I like the
like,
yeah.
don't try.
CBD gets me on a nice little
Yeah.
a nice little mellow because I'm already a chill person already. So it's like, hey, add more chill to chill. Okay.
Just put on your little magic carpet.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, Latin way.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Man, if I had a magic carpet.
Man, listen.
If I had a damn
magic carpet. I'll try. What you gonna do, bro? If you had a magic carpet?
If I had a magic carpet, right. Man, car wet for one.
Okay, no gas.
No gas.
Okay, ain't gotta buy no tires.
No traffic. Like, that would have my zero to give at an ultimate high. You would not see me right now, sis. I'd be waking up and me and my car would be out like this.
Just
nigga, I'm going to Dubai. Excuse me. Like, I swear to God, give me a magic. They need to come out with a magic carpet and a genie. No, I'm not fact. They don't need to come out with no genie.
We almost there. I'm trying to.
But they don't need to come out with no genie.
No genie. I don't want no genie.
There's too many bad people out here that be wanting to wish too many things.
Y'all don't use y'all wishes wisely.
At all. Y'all barely can't even ask for things y'all want in the right way.
Well, I'm learning that too. You gotta be intentional.
Very intentional.
You gotta be specific.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Because it's not, and most of y'all ask for things y'all not even ready for.
And that's real shit too.
So y'all, we don't need no genie. The magic carpet though, can
magic
stay.
Carpet can stay.
Magic carpet can stay.
Talk about somebody gonna really be on cloud 9. I'm gonna find it.
Okay.
Is that actual cloud 9? Like, it's the cloud number.
Guess what? You know how they can own a star? I'ma own a cloud.
You can own a cloud.
I wonder if you could, because if you can,
You can own a star.
I know.
You can probably own a cloud. Can you own a cloud?
I don't know. We're gonna find out. Can y'all hold a cloud?
Can you own a cloud?
Let us know.
Yeah.
Are we thinking too deep into that? Are we thinking too high on it?
Right. But you can get a star. I think you can get a star and own it.
Would you own a star?
I would.
What would you name it?
Or it'll be her star.
You just so gay.
It'll be baby star.
Y'all gay. Gay is so fun.
I love you. What she say? Bobby, I love you.
Not talking to each other through the camera.
I love you.
That is horrible. If I had a star, I don't know.
Yeah.
It'll probably have to be my initials, SOS. Look at that, that's the star, SOS.
What did SOS mean?
Save our ship. It always mean to save somebody. That's why. See, that's what. I never gotta sit here. You know what? I don't want to sit here and think about it. That makes a lot of sense. Cause you know sometimes your name goes with your lifestyle and you don't even know it. SOS means save our ship, saving something, right? All my life, I've been saving these hoes. hoes all my life.
Golly. Just Captain Save a
Just
Hoe.
Captain Save a Hoe. For no reason. And I ain't
No,
even
it's a
wanna say-
reason. You just said it.
I know. Right.
SOS. You're
What?
just the captain of saving hoes.
I'm retired.
Saving all. Oh, you retired.
I clipped that cape. I ain't saving them no
She
more.
ain't saving no more hoes. All the hoes, please stand clear.
Please. My last save was last year.
Please stand clear. No hoes allowed. She's not saving no more hoes.
No more.
Bitch, you're welcome.
Okay. Oh, the y'all are welcome. Welcome.
Come forth.
Please. Hoes, stay away. Stay away.
Oh, God.
Okay. Corona times 2. Okay.
No, for real.
Ain't got time.
For real.
Yeah.
You know somebody always losing the lighter
Yeah.
in a session.
Yeah.
It was me.
I can't with you or Roy before we lose some stuff. But y'all, I hope y'all enjoyed the conversation that we had.
Okay.
And if y'all want more videos like this, comment down below. We're about to do a part 2 on royalties of Candyland right now. So after this video, go ahead and click to the next video.
Right now.
Go right now. Bye bye.